Welcome back to Tech Nuggets. This is part 5 of Tailwindcss video series. In this video, we will see how do we create cards using Tailwind CSS. Cards is one of the popular ready-made component in Bootstrap and easy to use, however, limited in own styling. In this video, we will learn how to create our own card component with more flexible styling. Before we get into this video, quick channel analytics. This channel is getting good amount of views. However, there is a small percentage of viewers are subscribed. So if you have not subscribed yet, please scroll down and hit the subscribe button now and follow me on Twitter. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and create some cards. First thing, let's start with heading. Okay, so what I've done, just I made a cards with underline, right? Now let's go ahead and add. So in this example, you are going to see two types of cards. One is a stacked card and other one is horizontal card. Let's build this card part by part. Okay, first thing, let's create the outer layout of the card. Okay, so in this time you will not be able to see anything. What I have done is max with width small, rounded, and shadow large shadow. Okay, so ideally if you see the output, you will not have anything to see because you're not added, just a layout you added. Now let's add image and body section. Okay, let's say so this is the image on the top and this is the body of the card. What I made here is this is the title of the card and this is body text. Okay, so the important thing is how do you play, how do you keep your styles, and how much creativity you use it. It's up to the individuals. How do we do? Okay, now let's see how this card looks like now. Okay, that's perfect. At least we are seeing the picture and the title and the body. Let's add some tags as like something photograph, global warming, or some tags. Okay, let's do that. How do we do it? Okay, so what we are doing here is it's a span with inline block and with the gray and font semi bold and rounded, photography, global warming, and summer. Okay, so now how does output looks like? Perfect. So you made a nice looking stacked card. Okay, okay, let's go ahead and create the next type of card, horizontal cards. It's a card, not cards. So give a break here. How do we do this? Let me explain this. Okay, so this is your outer layout. When you say horizontal card, your image is on your left hand side and all the entire body is on the right hand side. Something similar to stacked. However, your image is on the left hand side with the entire card is um, filled with entire card, right? So the first thing, your left hand side image, this is the one. Say some sample I have put the background image with some Bitcoin image. Okay, so you look at it's a H48 LG, and the flex none BG cover rounded, the LG rounded. Okay, large rounded. So the major thing is again on the styling. The next thing what we have here is the border part. Okay, then that's the right side border where it comes with. Then we have it the body of the border, and there is a SVG image which says members only. That is what this image. Okay, and then we have the right side body, the title of that, Bitcoin ready for breakout, and then there's a body of that card. Finally below there is some member and icon. Okay, let us see how does this looks like. Awesome. So this is what it looks like as a horizontal card. Okay, so this is the flexibility with Tailwind CSS. You can add your own styling the way you want, and the way you want to add images. You can create your own cards. You are not limited with the similar shapes and similar size and colors. Okay, this is about cards. For more information, please refer Tailwind CSS official site documentation. See you in the next video. Thank you.